This is the metro machine. Its cover is 1 meter cover size. And let's start from the beginning. This is a guiding table, and that one with the handle is the pre-cutter. So when you want to change the coil, you can just pull it and cut the material, so no any waste. And then this device is the sporting table. When the material come into the roller, so it can just pass to the roller smoothly anyhow. And then let's go to this way. This is a main motor. Also, you can see this is a control system. Let's go inside. Okay, so now it's an inch mini, and we just press this one. Now it can be the meter. And here also, when you do manual style, the speed can adjust for manual low speed, manual middle speed, so you can operate smoothly. Or other function, starter, power. This is a cutter. This is the knob. And the hydraulic station is inside the machine, and there's a control box complete inside.